karena terjadi insiden mengerikan pada lap ke-8 di tikungan ketiga. Kecelakaan parah terjadi antara Zarco dan Morbidelli. Zarco yang berada di belakang Morbidelli mencoba untuk menyalip, akan tetapi pembalap Avintia itu justru melakukan manuver yang salah. Zarco yang bisa menyalip dari sisi kiri tiba-tiba berubah arah ke kanan. Hal itu membuat Zarco menabrak bagian belakang motor Morbidelli. Kedua pembalap itu terpental dengan keras sehingga menabrak dinding sirkuit Red Bull Ring. Motor Zarco dan Morbidelli bahkan hampir merenggut nyawa Valentino Rossi yang lewat setelah kecelakaan itu.
Oh my goodness me! That's Maverick Vinales!
There'll be a red flag. The air fence has gone. Yeah, they'll have to red flag it because they've damaged the air fence.
This race is going to get stopped. What has happened here? The bike's been destroyed. Air fence is
They'll
gone.
have to red flag it. They've got no choice.
It is red flagged. We've got a red flag
When
here
you pop the
in
air fence,
Austria.
that's it.
To see Maverick Vinales jump back up is a miracle in so many ways. That's no brakes at all.
How many more scares in Austria does Maverick Vinales need?
Well, actually, I lose completely the brake. Championship is very long. Now arrive Misano, which is a track I really like, and I will go for the victory there. And I cannot say much more. Honestly, we understand our weakness point. I was behind Nobby. I lose too much on both the straights, and I could not even have the chance to overtake. We know what we can do, so we will try in Misano.
Did not get a good start. Look, he's been swallowed up on that run into the first corner. Binder's coming up the inside.
Yeah,
and I'm afraid
tagged the back wheel of Oliveira.
Yeah, that was a nasty old impact, wasn't it? Oliveira landing right. Oh dear.
And he got hit by him as well, just for good measure.
Oh, well, Binder knocked him out and then clipped him again for a second time.
Ouch.
一个连续弯道，右弯之后出来的左弯，结果出现了海赛。
哇！你看他人被车撞到后又往后弹飞，
对，
更远，所以表示那个撞击力道真的很强。
这是 Vinales 在车后的镜头，
来看一下，
这是 Motogp 自己车上的镜头。好，出弯之后左弯突然嗨赛，
对，
就像刚才加菲猫讲的，这个左弯
High side for the World Championship leader, and that's a dangerous, dangerous place to be crashing. Please get out of the circuit. Look at all these riders. Oh, goodness me, it's exactly what you don't want to see. Oh, no.
Bastianini that lost the rear, the red flag is out.
That was horrific, and that is the problem with that corner as you come out and you high side the bike in the middle of the circuit, because people
Involving Enea Bastianini.
horrific accident, that one. Really, really bad. I'm wondering, I think Hafi Siren was involved.
Bastianini knew exactly what was coming. As soon as he got to his feet and knew he wasn't going to be hit himself, he was just like looking. Please, please, no, nobody make contact with the bike. There is the red flag on the
stricken bike, but no surprise to see the red flag. And Andy is the Haas machine. Just the impact was scary. And unfortunately, a rider's going to clatter into Enea Bastianini's bike.
Yeah, and with like Simon said, your vision's blocked. Look how close Remy Gardner is. He's not going to be able to see much of that, and then the riders behind can pick their way through. Roberts.
Riders conscious. That's the best outcome you could possibly have, because that...
Look, you can see that young man there just cannot believe what he's witnessing. He's just seeing riders crash into his fallen motorcycle. There's nothing Bastianini can do.
Top of the screen. They've made contact. Zarco comes around and he's going to try and take a defensive line.
Look at his bike!
Oh, Rossi!
Deary me.
Rossi's dodged. I cannot believe it. Watch Valentino Rossi here. Watch that.
Oh my goodness me.
Goodness. That bike missed Valentino Rossi's head.
Oh my
by
God.
fractions. He's on board with Valentino. Watch
this. This is going to be horrendous. Out the right hand side.
Oh my goodness me. How lucky.
There was vibration on his bike there almost from the velocity of that motorcycle almost hitting him. He's been there the whole race. What's happened here?
Oh my goodness me!
Yamaha.
That's Maverick
Vinales. There'll be a red flag.
There
the
must
air fence
be.
has gone. They'll have to red flag it because of the damage to the air fence.
This race red flagged. We've got a red flag here
when you pop the
in
air
Austria.
fence, that's it.
What's happened? Oh my goodness, he's fallen.
Corner. Rapids just got the inside side. Yeah, I'm afraid tagged the back wheel of Oliveira. Yeah, that was a nasty old impact, wasn't it? Oliveira landing right. Oh dear. And he got hit by him. Last corner, just tipping off the side. Alex Rins was right on his case. Right, Rins to jump under there. Look at this. There you go, the front end going. How many guys did we see go down turn 9 in Moto 2? So it's not going to be a thriller from Miller today. You're right, Matt. We're entering now.
Laps to go, and Dovizioso can't believe what's happened. We're going to have to analyse that one again, but this could be so key for the championship. It's unbelievable. Well, incredible stuff here.
That is what you call a Ducati disaster.
Where's he going? Where's he going now? He jumped in the lake. Brilliant stuff from Hawk. Send the lifeguards out. I hope he can swim. That is absolutely superb from Hawk and Lorenzo.
Hold up, good crawl motion. Ross is in the
and he's going to go through very late, and he's taken down Stoner. That's silly. Valentino Rossi attacked from a long way back, and he's taken out Casey Stoner. This one's going to rumble and rumble on afterwards, and he cleared Stoner out of the way. Massive for the championship.
He had a red helmet, red sector through sector 3, and you just see the
just
front
lost it.
goes
just
away.
So early. Oh, crikey. Well,
You can see that bike is absolutely destroyed.
that's a skip job, mate, for that one. Crikey. Oh, my goodness me.
No et rebentis, eh?
No, sobrat, eh? Déu.